Hello students, in our last class we studied about atomic structure and the atomic theories. The atomic theories given by various scientists. So today we are going to study atoms and electronic configuration. What is electronic configuration? Okay, let us start with atoms first. Let us recall atoms are those smallest particles of any substance that retain the properties of that substance. And we have studied in our last class that atom has subatomic particles which are protons, neutrons, and protons and neutrons are present in the nucleus. Whereas the third subatomic particles are the electrons, and electrons keep revolving around the nucleus. Nucleus consists of proton and neutron. Okay, and the electrons revolve in fixed circular path. These paths are called orbits. If you are unable to recall, please go through your last video. And every orbit has specific capacity. That means the first electronic shell, first orbit will have 2 electrons, then the next will have, so all the next will have 8, and like this all the electronic orbits will have fixed number of electrons. For example, let us see. This is the first electronic orbit and it is named as K orbit. It can have 2 electrons. You can see 2 electrons. It can have 2 electrons. If an atom is having more than 2 electrons, then first 2 electrons will be revolving in the first orbit, and the next electrons will start filling in the next orbit. Next orbit is the L orbit. Okay. Third electron will not enter the K orbit but will accommodate in the next orbit. This is L orbit, and up to 8 electrons can revolve in this L orbit. And if the electrons are exceeding then this number also, then the other orbits will start filling. This is M. M can have maximum of 18 and N can have maximum of 32 electrons. Now, thus we know that what is an atomic structure. This is the nucleus, and it consists of proton and neutron. Neutron is neutral, proton is positive charged, and the electrons are revolving around the nucleus, and electrons are negative charged subparticles. So atomic structure, nucleus and electrons. You can see this is nucleus and these are electrons. So nucleus consists of neutrons and protons, where neutrons are neutral and protons are positive charged, and electrons are negative charged, and they get arranged in the orbit, which is called as electronic configuration. Okay, let us have a detailed comparison of these subatomic particles. Atomic mass is the total mass of protons and neutrons. So the mass of the nucleus, that is protons plus neutrons, is the atomic mass, and the mass of electrons are almost negligible. So let us see the parameters and the comparison between protons, electrons and neutrons. What is the location? Nucleus. Proton lies in nucleus. Neutron also lies in nucleus, while electrons are revolving in the orbit, extra nuclear space. Then the charge. Protons are positive, electrons are negative, and neutrons are neutral, no charge. Then what is the mass? It has, proton have 1 atomic mass unit. Electrons are negligible, they have negligible weight. They have negligible mass, and neutrons also, neutrons have more than 1 atomic mass unit. Then what is the activity? Protons do not move. They are not mobile. They lie in the nucleus, and electrons, they spin around the nucleus in the fixed orbits, and they spin with a high speed, while neutrons are also immobile. They do not move. Now let us talk about number. The number of protons as per the atom. Every atom has fixed number of protons and fixed number of electrons and fixed number of neutrons. So as per the atom, and the number of protons and neutrons are equal. So it is equal to the number of electrons, and the number of electron it is equal to the number of protons, and this is decided as per the atom, that how many protons, electrons and neutrons would be there in the atom of every element. Thank you, students.